Hello, we're going to do an acrylic pour today, and I saw a post on Facebook of a lady's picture, and she had done a swipe, kind of like a reverse swipe. Usually when you do a swipe, you pour the color down, or you put the color around, and then you put your white or black and you swipe with the white or black or with the color. But we're going to do something different. We're going to start with the white background, do a dirty pour, and then I'm going to swipe it. So I have no idea what it's going to turn out like. Today I have multiple colors I want to use: a lime green, a turquoise, a blue, an orange, a yellow, a magenta, a deep turquoise, kind of peacock color, purple, and I've mixed all those with different brands. So these are just pre-mixed colors that I've put together and added 50-50 ratio 1-to-1 paint to Floetrol. I use Floetrol latex based. Make sure you get latex based, not oil based. And then I add water. I just keep water in a squirt bottle. I add a little bit at a time until I get the paint to the consistency of cream or warm honey. I'm going to start, and then I always have lots of white. I have white in a cup. I have white in a bottle, squeeze bottle. So I always have plenty of white available. And I have a heat gun in case I decide to try to get more cells or blow, get rid of bubbles. So we're going to start by putting the white on the canvas. This is a 10-inch pool trowel I got at Home Depot. I had it shipped to my house. Well, I had it shipped to the store and I picked it up. But I have a metal one. It's much larger, as you can see. It's actually kind of sharp on the edges. I've cut my finger on it before, but it's super large. And this one I can control better, so I use this one. The brand, I think, was Marshalltown. I think all one word is the brand. It's great for covering a larger surface quicker. I've never done it quite this way. And so we're going to try and see how it turns out. So I'm wiping it off because this will be what I swipe with. So I have actually I'm going to get a smaller cup. I was going to do the big solo cup, but since this is a swipe, I think I'm just going to go with this size. If I have to pour some in it again, I will. I'm going to get rid of the bubbles. So I'm going to start with a little bit of white. Go with the purple. Blue, this deep turquoise, turquoise, magenta, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the orange. I was going to keep it in the kind of the cool colors, but I want some contrast. Yellow. Lime green. I have a green, but I'm not going to use it because this turquoise is a turquoisey green. So I'm going to start again. Purple. Now I'm just going to switch up. Magenta. Yellow, lime green, turquoise, and blue. Okay, and all these bottles do have silicone in them. I put multiple drops of silicone into each bottle because the bottles hold 8 ounces of paint or so. So I probably have at least 6 drops or so of silicone in each bottle. So we're going to pour. Some of it went off the edge. So I'm not necessarily going to heat it. It's got plenty of cells, so I can see that, but we're going to swipe it over the white. Kind of the reverse of what you typically do. So here we go. Okay, we're going to do this again. I dribbled across it. I don't know if I can. The tool is pretty. I'm going to try it again and I may mess it up. Okay, Kind of messing it up. Well, this is really pretty here. I like this. I'm not crazy about this because I kind of had to keep doing it. So, wondering. This may mess it up, but I'm going to experiment here. So I have this tool. I'm going to do about the width of the tool. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, I'm not going to put the yellow back into it, but I'm going to go back, start again. Go back with the white. really pretty here. It looks like stained glass. I'll bring you down in a minute and show it to you. So I don't like this spot there, but this is really pretty. It does look like stained glass. I may try it again with the black. This area is really pretty. So there's that area that is not pretty. And then up here I've got this edge that kind of turned out rough. But I like the effect overall.